at grade 7 at Watana Vidyalaya Comedy School. Today I'm with Dr.Wendy. I would like to talk about my dream job. Have you ever had your dream job? I have once. It is hotel managers. I impressed when I see hotel managers performing their duty. I think hotel is very important because when we go to another place, we also have accommodations. Hotel has to be responsibility and kind. I hope I will succeed in my dream job. I will be a good hotel manager. How about you? I will see you again with Dr. Wendy. Goodbye.